Have you ever thought of becoming a nail technician? If you did, in this video I'm going to give you 7 reasons to become a nail tech. Interested? Keep watching. Reason number 1 is that you do not have to sit quietly in front of your computer all day. You get to do different things, such as making people beautiful. And also, if you ever thought that, well, my job is not really about art, I want to do something creative, well, this is a very creative field. Just imagine you can create small masterpieces on nails of your clients. You can come up with new nail art and designs. Maybe you always wanted to learn hand painting, or maybe you already know how to do beautiful paintings. Well, in this case, this is something you need to consider. Reason number 2 is that this is a well-paid job. And yes, I know it varies like in any other jobs, like how much do salespeople make? Well, it varies. It varies on where they live, on the company they're working for, on the clients they're working for, on the product they're selling. And this is exactly the same in nails. Some people earn this amount, some people earn more, and it depends. And I want to be honest with you, when you will just getting started, you will not gain millions of dollars from your very first day. That's true. It will take a while until you will create your brand, until you will grow your clientele. But if you're really passionate about it, if you're ready to learn to work hard, then you will definitely get more clients and the opportunities are limitless. Another reason is that it doesn't take too long to learn. Just imagine how long it takes to become a doctor or to get some master's degree. It takes years in university, then you need to do some practice, then you need to learn again, then you need to earn another degree. Well, in nails, it's much more easier. If you are from the US, then you need to go to the beauty school to get licensed, and in some states you also need to renew this license. In some countries you don't even need license, such as in Russia. You simply can take courses like 2 weeks long, and that's it. Then you're just good to go and you can work. So it's just a matter of a few months when you can become a nail technician and get a new profession, which is kind of cool, right? Another important reason is that this is very rewarding, trust me. For example, my clients call me Nail Fairy. They come to me usually in the evenings after their day job. They're tired, they had just a long day in the office, you know, their boss was probably mad at them, and then they get these beautiful nails done and they're so happy. I had this client once, so she had the short beaten nails, and when I did this transformation on her, she was basically jumping, hugging, kissing me. I was like, oh my god, this is magic. I never knew that my hands can look so feminine and elegant. And I was like, oh my god, I'm even telling you this now and have goosebumps all over my body, I swear. So this is truly so rewarding, like no money can buy these emotions. And this is one of the reasons I'm doing this. After you hear something like that, you start thinking, wow, I'm definitely doing something that I love. You can be your own boss. There are different ways to work as a nail tech. You can go to the salon. In this case, you will have a boss. But after a while, you can gain your clients and then you can open your own studio or simply rent a table or a space or a separate room where you can take your clients. So in this case, you will be your own boss. Some nail technicians work from home, which is also nice because you can create your own schedule. For example, when I started working, I was still studying in university, so I only could take clients in the evenings or on the weekends, but I could continue studying. Also, you can combine this with your studying, with your day job, with basically anything you want. Growth opportunities. When I just got started, I thought, well, nail tech is just my side gig. While I'm learning, I will just make some cash and then I will graduate from my university and get a real job, such as IT person. But that never happened. I remain a nail tech. And that's because I never knew that there are so many growth opportunities. Because in the corporate world, it's pretty easy, right? So you get in some position and then you work hard your way up to this corporate ladder, and eventually you will become, like a manager, and then you get promotion and so on. In the nail world, it's also the same. If you will not just keep working in one salon, but you will develop, you will take new courses, you will socialize with other nail technicians, then you can become an educator or open your salon, open your school. Maybe you want to become a blogger or influencer or celebrity nail techs, or you can do editorials. The opportunities are limitless. Another reason is that this is a very fast developing field. If you will look at the numbers, you will see that the market volume is growing, meaning people want to be pretty more and more, and they're ready to pay for it. So in most places, it's not really hard to find a job. I mean, salons are opening so often and they're always hiring nail technicians. So you can also work independently. Do not worry about that there are no clients out there. They're all taken by somebody. That's actually not true. If you will become a passionate and professional nail technician, you will never have to worry about the clients. The last but not least is that if you clicked on this video, that means something caught your attention. So if this is something you're interested and something you think you could do, and just imagine that you're doing something you love, something you enjoy, something you're willing to do for free because it's your hobby, but then you will get paid for it. I think this is ideal, just doing your hobby and getting well paid for it. This is basically what we do. So if you feel that this is something you would like to do, that you enjoy being in the beauty industry, then go for it. So these were my reasons why I love nail industry and why I became a nail tech and still remain. It's been already 14 years. So let me guys know, what do you think? If you're just considering becoming a nail technician, what are the reasons that attract you to this industry? And if you are a nail technician already, please share your reasons. Why have you decided to become a nail tech? If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post nail art tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!